everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about a common issue some of you might have faced while using ChatGPT. Unable to upload an image or file to ChatGPT. If you've run into this problem, don't worry, I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix it quickly. The first thing to check is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent files from uploading, so make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile network. If your internet is fine and you're still facing the issue, the next thing to look at is the file size. ChatGPT might not allow you to upload cut. ChatGPT might not allow you to upload large files. Generally, try to keep the image under a few MBs. If it's too big, try resizing or compressing the image before uploading. Another thing to check is the file type. ChatGPT currently supports certain file formats like PNG, JPG, and GIF for images. If your file is in a different format like TIFF or BMP, you may need to convert it to a supported format before uploading. Sometimes the issue could be with your browser cache. If your browser's cache is full, it might cause problems when uploading files. Try clearing your cache and even using an incognito window to upload your image. If that doesn't work, you might want to try switching browsers. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This can help avoid any browser-specific issues. Lastly, it's always a good idea to check if ChatGPT servers are down. Sometimes the issue could be on their end, and it's not something you can fix directly. Check the official OpenAI status page on their social media channels to see if there's any maintenance or outages happening. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.